amazing people, welcome back to Winning is Winning, where we dish out healthy recipes as well as talk about child nutrition. I'm your favorite girl, Damsey, or you can call me Dammy. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I decided to film in my sweet, beautiful kitchen. welcome. So today I'm going to be filming a yummy recipe. Like, this recipe is so amazing for your toddlers. Now, my little man enjoys amala with either okra soup, ewedu, or ogbono. But I decided to try gbegiri. And I was so amazed at the way he loved and enjoyed it with amala. So I decided that, okay, yeah, I have to do these recipes for our little ones who will also enjoy gbegiri. Now, gbegiri is made out of beans. And this is so yummy. I enjoy the process making this gbegiri. And I know you are going to. So please, let's go straight and cook.
So now we're having our beans. I decided to use brown beans. This is what I have at the moment, so I use the brown beans. Now, one thing I love about beans is rich in fiber as well as rich in iron, magnesium, and rich in carbs as well, and bits of protein. So I added water to soak for 1 hour 30 minutes. So after soaking it, I peeled the beans, the back of the beans, and this is what we have here. Once you soak it, it's actually easy to peel. So I transferred it into my pot. Meanwhile, I do love my cast iron. This pot is high maintenance pot, but we are up to the task. So I added water, then allowed it to steam for about 30 minutes. It was soft, but you can do it with a pressure cooker. So once it's soft, I'm just trying to check it if it's soft. Once it's soft, you either blend it with a motion blender or you add it to a blender, just like I did. I transferred it into a blender and blend it to a right consistency, very smooth. Once it's blended, I transferred it back to the pot and allowed it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Then I added the palm oil. I added a little bit of pepper. Please keep pepper, just like my son likes spicy fruits. And I added lots of crayfish. Please keep pepper for babies less than 1. And I added salt. And also keep salt for babies less than 1. Then stir generously. You stir and cover and allow it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. One thing about gbegiri is once it gets thicker, once it stays longer, it gets even thicker. So you could want to add water and allow it to steam a little bit more. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I just stirred it, and yeah, the gbegiri is all done. So how do you like your gbegiri? Please don't forget to share in the comment section. Let's learn. And my son had this with amala feli togbono feli. Then most people like it with ewedu as well, but I didn't have ewedu at home, so I just had it with stew, and this was goat meat. And definitely I had to feed my son. It was so hot, so he enjoyed it.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed giving you this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. I see most of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe. It really helps this channel grow. It helps me grow, and it tells other moms that they should watch and also look out for such content as this. And yes, so please help my ministry to go to the permanent site. Help me subscribe. I'll definitely see you in our next video. Until then, remember, your little one needs all the nutrients they can get from real foods. Let's raise healthy kids together. I'll see you in our next one. Have a great day and bye.